So we should definitely spend some time talking about crypto. So
I am so loving cryptos at the moment. Cryptos is where we're making all of our money at the moment.
Is that right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
What I did is I took $850, everything's in dollars over there, $850, and I turned that into $90,000. That was just one of my positions, into $90,000 in just 9 months.
Let's get into cryptos, okay? Because fewer people, I think, truly understand how Bitcoin or other cryptos work, and even fewer still understand the game-changing benefits.
I think that what we've seen with cryptocurrencies, I think they will prove to have done society, not investors, society, a massive, massive favour. Many people are now familiar, certainly with Bitcoin. They don't know what it does, they don't understand mining, let alone halving or forking or hot and cold wallets. They don't need to worry about that. But what it's done is effectively digitize, take out the paperwork and create an electric version of different asset classes.
And are you doing any cryptocurrencies?
Only for investing. I used a strategy, I used the VCA strategy, but now I'm full invested.
And so are you in profit?
Some of them are over 100% in profit.
Wow.
And some of them are a little bit less, 50% or 30%.
This has been going for the last 10 years, and it's going stronger every single day as the adoption grows. But the price is keeping relatively stable right now. So this is our opportunity.
There's a lot of institutions which are involved in digital assets, and you can buy certainly Bitcoin in a variety of vehicles, actually in your pension fund.
You need to know what these things are because it's happening right now. They are calling it Money 3.0. They're calling it the internet.
Cryptocurrencies is a new form of money. But there's a lot more to it because what holds the whole thing up is the blockchain.
You have the opportunity to get in before Wall Street, before the city boys get in. This is unprecedented. We are getting in before them because they're only just waking up to it. In actual fact, they are the ones that are feeling threatened by it.
Samsung have just launched through their app a payment system so that you can have a debit card with them. Apple have got the Apple Pay. Amazon have got an Amazon coin. So I think you're going to end up seeing corporates issuing their own digital currencies.
We are not just looking to get into Bitcoin. We are looking at the next Bitcoin. What is the next growth, the next spurt? That's what we are doing as well. And I invite you, please, to do the same. Stay open-minded about this because it is just like, people coming up with bits of plastic called credit cards and everybody going, I don't want to use credit card, that's not real cash, I really need money. Now everybody uses debit and credit cards.